Welcome to the Behavior Lady YouTube site. My name is Sherry Moreau, and I have a master's in clinical mental health counseling. Today we'll be going over the Wise Mind DBT technique. Let's begin. First, find a comfortable, quiet place that you won't be disturbed for the next few minutes. Turn off any distracting sounds, such as on a cell phone, and get comfortable, either slightly reclining or sitting comfortably in a chair. If you'd like, you can close your eyes, or you can watch the video pictures that I have put together for you today. Now, locate the bottom of your sternum on your rib cage. You can do this by touching the bone at the center of your chest, then following it down towards your abdomen until the bone ends. Now place one hand on your abdomen between the bottom of your sternum and your belly button. This is the center of your wise mind. I'd like you to take a few slow, long breaths and relax. In through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Feel your abdomen rise and fall as you breathe. Imagine your belly filling up with air like a balloon as you breathe in, then slowly deflating as you breathe out. Feel the breath moving in through your nostrils, then feel your breath blowing out through your lips as if you were blowing out a candle. As you breathe, notice any sensations in your body. As your lungs fill up with air, notice the weight of your body as it rests on the seat in which you're sitting. With each breath, notice how your body reacts, and as it allows the body to become more and more relaxed. Now, as you continue to breathe, let your attention focus on the spot underneath your hand. Let your attention focus on your wise mind. Continue to take long breaths. If you have any distracting thoughts, just allow those thoughts to leave you without fighting them and without getting stuck on them. Continue to focus on the center of your wise mind. Feel your hand resting on your stomach. As you focus your attention on the center of your wise mind, notice what appears. If you've had any troubling thoughts, problems, or decisions that you have to make in your life, think about them for a few seconds. Now ask the center of your wise mind What should you do about these problems or decisions? Ask your inner intuitive self for guidance. Then notice what thoughts or solutions arise out of the center of your wise mind. Don't judge whatever answers you receive. Just note them to yourself and keep breathing. Continue to focus your attention on the center of your wise mind. If no thoughts or answers come to your questions, just continue to breathe. Now continue to notice your breath rising and falling. Keep breathing and return your focus to your wise mind. Now continue to notice your breath rising and falling. Keep breathing and returning your focus back to your wise mind. When you've finished, slowly open your eyes and return your focus to the room. Now allow yourself a moment to collect yourself and think back on everything that just occurred. This is the cool-off period. No quick snap decisions should be made at this time. Simply review what you asked your wise mind. Then review what you may have heard as the answer. If you've recently been involved in an emotional situation, either good or bad, give yourself enough time and don't let hot emotions to rule the day. Feel yourself cooling and calming down, reviewing the thoughts that you had. Now, before you make a decision, check in with the center of your wise mind and notice how it feels. This is similar to a body scan. Is your body tense? Do you feel nervous? If so, go back and attempt the Wise Mind technique again. The idea is to bring yourself to a calm, collected place where you can make reasonable decisions about what is going on in your life. Now you've had some time. Do you feel that the answers that came to you are an appropriate fit for your situation? If not, go back and attempt the technique again. Remember, at this point, you should not be feeling anxious or upset. You should feel a sense of calm and peace. Review what you believe are the proper decisions. Write them down. Study them. Is this truly a good choice for you, a positive decision for your life. You can tell sometimes if you've used your wise mind appropriately. If your decision leads to beneficial results in your life, chances are you've used your wise mind to make that decision. When you start using your wise mind, keep track of your decisions in a journal and review them often. Are you working towards the wise mind decision? If not, review what's holding you back. Remember, your wise mind should help you make healthy decisions about your life. Thank you for joining me today and learning how to use the DBT technique, Wise Mind. This technique can be very beneficial for multiple situations in your life. Remember, if you're struggling with anxiety, depression, and decision making, this technique can help ease some of that anxiety. Remember, mental health is not a destination, but a process. It's about how you drive, not where you're going.